In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Brevo. Let's get started by opening the Brevo app in your browser and signing in. From your main dashboard, head over to the marketing area. This is where Brevo groups all your audience growth tools, including the feature we need. Once you're there, look for Forms. This section is dedicated to creating and managing your sign-up experiences, so it's the perfect place to build a new form from scratch. Choose Create Sign-up Form to begin. You'll first be prompted to give your form a name. Pick something clear and descriptive so you can easily find it later, like Newsletter Sign-up or Event Waitlist. The name is primarily for your internal organization, but choosing a specific, consistent naming convention will save time as your library grows. If you're following a style guide, align the title with your campaign or list naming to keep things tidy. After naming it, confirm by creating the form. Brevo will open the editor where you'll do the bulk of your work. Start in form design to define the overall look and feel. Match your brand by adjusting colors, fonts, and button styles, and keep sufficient color contrast for accessibility. Set a concise headline and a helpful description that explains what subscribers will receive. Clear expectations reduce drop-offs and improve trust. While you're here, refine field labels and the success message. Friendly, specific copy goes a long way. Think, "Thanks for joining." Check your inbox for a confirmation. You can also edit error states so people know exactly what went wrong, like when an email format is invalid. Next, switch to Build to control the structure and fields. Drag in the elements you need and keep the form as lean as possible. The email field should remain required, while extra fields like first name or company can be optional if they're not critical. Fewer fields usually mean higher completion rates. Add a consent checkbox with clear wording if you collect marketing permissions, and link to your privacy policy for transparency. For better data quality, use placeholders to guide entries and turn on validation where available. If you localize your content, make sure your field text and messages are in the right language for your audience. As you work, preview how the form looks on mobile and desktop, and keep spacing generous for easy tapping. Save your changes frequently to avoid losing progress. When the design and fields feel right, you're set. The form is ready to use in your campaigns and pages. And that's it. Open Brevo, go to Marketing, select Forms, create your sign-up form, name it clearly, refine the design, and build the fields you need. Follow these tips and you'll have a polished, on-brand form that converts.